Here it is. Apple Watch. This is Apple Watch Series 8 45 millimeter midnight black. I think it's midnight aluminum. Yeah. Today's the 16th. It just came out. I bought this. I paid $460 something from Best Buy. My Best Buy card got to be paid by next September. So yeah. Now, why would I buy an Apple Watch 8? Everybody ready? I'll show you. This is my Apple Watch 4. Brand new. I bought this brand new. Brand new in 2019. And believe it or not, the battery is dead. And I tried that thing where if you run it out, if you let it just like run it out, right? It will recharge. That's not kind of true. Maybe because the phone it's old or something, but that's not true. It didn't work. Because like I said, it's from 2019, brand new. So yeah. So my birthday is on the 21st, so I just like, fuck it. I'll just buy it for a birthday gift for myself. So I bought the 8. So let's open it. If I know how to open it. There it is. There it is. Now, I know some people will say, well, yeah, because it was time to get a new one. Because, like I said, the other one was from 2019. It was brand new. I bought it brand new. But my first Apple Watch, it wasn't brand new because it was a 3 or something. And I ended up selling it to get the newer one, the last watch I got. So let's first open this. I think it was time. Plus, I needed a bigger one. I think this is the bigger one. The other one's not big. I think it's 41 millimeters. And this is a 45. I saw that Ultra one. I thought about that Ultra one. The only way I would have bought the Ultra one is it have to have 24 months on that for me to pull that off. That would have been the only way I would have done that. I have to have 24 months of payments just to pull that off. So, let me see, is this the right way? I'm trying to look. I think. Oh, okay. Designed in California. So here's your watch. Right here. Now the thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing this, but I have to I thought this was supposed to be big. It is big. Ooh. The thing I got to do is try to transfer all the stuff from my other iWatch to this one. So that's gonna be a big thing. What I'm gonna do with this other one, I'm gonna keep this other one and put it in holding until I figure something out with it. Okay. But right now we're just doing this because. Okay, there we go. So right now we just gonna just unbox it, and I'll just put the setup later. So put it on English, United States. let's see, United States. Start pairing. Can't pair it now because, like I said, I'm on the iPhone. So let's just put it right here. Oops. United States. Here's your manuals in here. These are your manuals. I'm going to leave this in here because I'm going to use the one that's already sitting out. So, because this is no different than, let me see. Yeah, this ain't no different than it was already hooked up. So we'll use the old one. So, yep. Let's see what else we got. We got the band. I hope this band fits me, or else I'm gonna have to be going to get another one. Let's see. Now, this is gonna be kind of a short video because I'm not gonna show everything. Everybody know how to put the Apple Watch together and pair it. So. Okay. There go the band. I hope this fits. This will fit me because this is supposed to be small, medium, and stuff. So I hope it fits. I'll be using my band from the old Apple Watch. So, yep. Let's put this back in here. Now let's leave. We're gonna leave this out, and yeah, that's it. Cause there's not much, if you got it. So now I just gotta put it together and stuff. So that's it. That is Apple Watch 8.